Anong araw na ngayon? Boy guys, and Arcangel checking in. Ngayon ay Lunes, 11:45 na ng tanghali. Man, ewan ko pang ilang araw na namin. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Simula Friday pa kami dito. Yun, anong ganap natin today? Playa del Carmen. Hey, guys. Good morning, good morning. Are you guys coming, right?
Huh?
You guys are coming, right?
No, not today.
Oh, not today?
No.
You guys already been though, no? You guys already been, yeah?
Yeah, we went already.
Okay, send it. I gotta do this one thing to head up then.
Yeah. Wait, you guys doing 12?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Enjoy, guys. Ano ngayon? Friday? Monday na ngayon. At papunta na kami doon sa Playa del Carmen. Papunta na kami sa Playa del Carmen. So yung kita tayo doon. Okay. Yo, so ngayong araw ay pang 4th day na namin dito sa Cancun, Mexico, Princess Riviera. Ang ganap ngayong araw ay mag-explore tayo sa 5th Avenue, Playa del Carmen. Tequila tasting, jewelry shopping. Explore natin ang Playa del Carmen, 5th Avenue. Tignan natin kung anong meron sila doon, anong ganap nila doon. But so far, sobrang solid naman din ng Cancun, Mexico. Yun nga lang, sobrang humid, sobrang mainit. Safe, pagkain, 10 out of 10. Only tacos, boy, kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na mahilig sa tacos, Cancun, Mexico, for sure, isa sa mga napaka-authentic na tacos na matitikman nyo. Hopefully mamaya sa Playa del Carmen may makita kami na solid din na tacos. Sa mga makakapanood na ito at kasama kayo sa trip na to, shoutout sa inyong lahat, man. Yo, kita-kit sa Playa del Carmen. Guys, shit, bow. Yo, shoutout right quick lang sa 44 Hala International.com. Guys, yan, dito tayo ngayon sa jewelry store kung saan nagbibenta sila ng mga fine silver. Ito siya. Tapos nagko-custom made din sila dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa ng mga to. Nagte-telepono lang naman eh. Wala naman nagtatrabaho eh. Wala pa silang trabaho ngayon. Yo, what you guys saying? Arcangel checking in. As we speak, andito na kami approaching 5th Street sa Cancun, Mexico. Andito kami ngayon sa Playa del Carmen. Sa mga tourist spot, solid. Papakita ko sa inyo, man. Gang. Yo, right across sa taco spot na pinuntahan namin, andito yung 7-Eleven. So dito lang kami magpapalamig. Oh, yo, nagpalamig lang kami on that. Chinekot lang namin kung ano meron dito. Pwede tayo pumunta dito after o gusto mo ngayon na, bumili ka na ngayon. Yo, pagkatapos ng ilang oras na paghahanap kung saan kami magtatakos, ito na yung nahanap namin na tacos. Dito na kami. Solid.
I took her chaser and then she was like, and then I was like, I just wanted to take a sip. Yung tequila nasa bibig ko. Di ba? Nag-aagawan. Nakalunok ka na nga ng isa, di mo pa binigay sa akin. Ako na mo. Ako na. Sabi mo, akin po eh.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa 5th Avenue, dito sa Mexico pa rin. Tapos na tayo magtacos. Okay, dito. Yung, dito pa rin tayo sa 5th Avenue sa Mexico. At ngayon naghahanap tayo ng souvenir. Bibili tayo ng souvenir. Kakatasan natin magtacos. At yung tacos sobrang solid. Sobrang blessed ng tacos, man. Tapos cheap. Yun yung sa labas ng 5th Avenue yung kasi dito. Or 5th Street. Sa labas. Kami. Score ng tacos kasi medyo pricey na dito eh. Like, sobrang tourist spot na to eh. So, lumabas kami dito sa 5th Street. Doon kami bumili ng tacos. Anyways, dito na kami ngayon ulit. Chinek out lang namin kung anong meron dito. At, yun, bibili lang ng souvenir. Yo, pauwi na kami. Pabalik na kami sa hotel kung saan magsiswimming naman kami. Pa-swim out doon. At dahil mainit, syempre, score tayo ng gelato. Tiramisu sa'yo?
Yeah. Do you want
Cone ka ba?
that or no? Kasi nang nakalat eh.
Regular lang na cone ka. Waffle cone. Pistachio on waffle cone.
One scoop.
Ha?
One scoop.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Pistachio gelato. Kung nandito ka pa, shoutout sa panonood, man. Skippy Gone. Okay. Kaya pabalik na tayo ng room. Ang itinerary ngayon ay mag-swimming. So, kapalit lang tayo ng gamit. Anyways. So, yun, may reservation tayo ng alas 8 para sa Italian food. Dinner. Pero bago yun, magsiswimming muna tayo saglit. Doon sa swim out ng isa sa mga kwarto ng mga kasama natin. Kila Sai at Earl. Sobrang solid, ang ganda ng... Aray! Sakit maliit to. Kaya sobrang ganda ng spot dito. Sobrang aliwala, sobrang peaceful. I suggest na kayo, kung may chance kayo at kung interesado kayo, man, do it at least once in your lifetime, man. Here.
No, I just want a picture.
So basically, yung kwarto, dyan lang. Yan lang yung kwarto. Sabay, yun. Pwede ka na mag-swimming diretso. Here. What we saying right now?
Nice swimming. Nice swim out pool. Preparing for the wedding day tomorrow. You know what it is. Better to do this.
I know.
Hey, water polo. See you well?
Hala, may whale?
You guys want to see a whale? It's like see-through. So, it's
Mabilis ang swimming lang. Napawi ang init. Ngayon, magre-ready tayo para sa dinner natin sa Italian food. Again. Woohoo! bless. Yung fourth day, ito yung ganap dito, man. Yes, sir. After nito, papahinga na tayo, man. Kakatas lang natin ng Italian dinner. Sobrang busog. At solid, masarap naman. Pahinga na tayo after.
What they call you, go?
Cheers! Salud!
Chicken na ba dyan? Chicken.
Oh my God! Kita ano masasabi niyo sa kasal nila Earl and Irene?
Wonderful, amazing.
Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Mexico.
Yes, eh. Sama ko si tita ko kami ng churros.
Salamat, amigo.
Make a bag, get up.
44 hala, bro. 44 hala. Money card.
Let you try it out the easy. Back on slide to this thing like a melody.
Soldier boy, cause I got me some baby ladies. Soldier boy, I'm in it all. That's all I want me. Supposed to beat me, so the man, they be looking at my neck, saying it's the rubber band, man. Do it like me, oh, I seen you try to do it like me, man, that damn was ugly. Soldier boy, I'm in it all. Why me cracking, why me walking you? Crack, that's all I want.
One more, we need one more, please. Thank you. I'm not above you. I'm not below you. I'm not below you.
All right, family and friends, we have the transportation outside.
What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like?
If you wanna get the transportation, do not forget.
Day 2.
I ain't tripping today. I'm keeping it chill today.
What you saying, guys? Respects my G. What we saying today? Yeah.
Still alive, bro.
Still alive. Thank God. Sino? Black. What's up, guys? Yo, sa Koragi, ano nangyari kagabi? Hindi ko din alam yung sa Koragi X-Road.
Okay,
Nalulog kagabi. Mga...
sorry sa driver. Sabi ko, sorry, dear drunk.
So what you guys saying right now? Wala tayong dalang tripod. Andito tayo ngayon sa boat ski. Sa sick boat.
That is a sick boat, actually.
Alright? Woohoo! Sa Koragi! God damn! That shit dope! Party boat? What the going on right now, mi amigo? Hola, compadres, mi compadres. Woohoo! Thank you. Guys, parang di kayo masaya, nandito kayo ngayon. So, where we at? Mexico, Cancun.
You better move, you better dance. Let's make a move.
It's about to go down.
The people wanna do a snorkeling, go with me right now behind the boat.
Snorkeling. Alive? We got life vest. Snorkeling right now, gang. That's what we're up to right now, my G. Hey, woohoo! Next. Excited na? Excited ba? Durog ka gabi. Durog ka gabi. Yo, way guys, saying Arcangel checking in nga pala ulit. Ang ganda ng boat namin, boy. Ayun, no? Hindi yung kulay blue, yung sa likod niyan. Nag-boat ride kami, medyo hindi ko masyadong na-enjoy dahil hangover ako. Grabe yung tequila, grabe yung mga alak dito. Anyways, once again, shout out Dolo. Shout out Juice by Dolo. Lunch muna. Bless. Kailangan natin ng tinapay sa mga lasing hangover.
Thank you so much.
That's it. Project muna tayo. Maya na lang ulit. Hopefully makapag-swimming ako mamaya. Ay ako ba?
Basag na basag. Accident ba? Tulig.
Tuloy.
Salamat sa
Your towels. I'll pull that raid run for you. Okay? Enjoy your time and have fun. Hasta la vista. Hasta la vista, baby. Hasta la vista, baby.
Yun, okay guys, yan, dito tayo ngayon sa Isla Mujeres. Yo, score tayo ng Gatorade dahil sobrang dehydrated. Kailangan natin ng electrolytes. One Gatorade, please. Thank you. Gracias.
Gracias.
Labo-labo eh. Saan tayo?
Oo nga.
Makoy daw lahat eh. Ay.
No tiene nada.
Thank you, amigo.
Gracias, amigo.
Yo, Sob, saan kayo?
Beach na lang kami.
Hello.
Oh, yeah. You're ready now.
Hey,
Rey Mysterio.
Yeah, who's that? Rey Mysterio.
Yeah.
Long time. About 2 hours might be. Yeah. Looks like we only have an hour left.
That's it. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Mexico. Cuba, Mexico. Ano ba to? Isla Mujer.
Islam.
Isla Mujer.
Oh,
Pwede mo tara?
Pick them up. Yeah. They're over there. Yeah, they're like sitting.
2 hours, the people is 700 pesos, okay?
Come on, Arvin. So, dalawa na tayo dyan? Dalawa tayo dyan? I'm sorry. May ba kayo kasabay? Hindi tayo. Tayo na. Her? Rap that shit. Bomba! 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 Vámonos! Arriba!
Do you know how to ride?
Yes, gracias mi amigo. Hasta luego. Woohoo! Sharo D! Yeah! Yes, eh! Okay, saan tayo? Hindi! Mag-set location ka kita client para makapunta sila dito. Yung mimingwit to, sabay din yung alon, aray.
oh my God, dami ng katabay!
Yun, nakabalik namin. Di, Sob, kamusta yung ride natin? Sob, kamusta yung ride natin?
The best. Solid.
Oo, kasama ko si D. Gang shit kami dito, man. Kain kami tacos maya. Yo, pabalik na kami. Pasensya na guys. Bumili pa kami ng souvenir. Ini-ride namin. God damn. Peep that shit. Privado yan, boy. El privado. Órale.
Ya llegaste.
Órale.
It could be anything in this people
So what you guys saying? Arcangel nga pala ng 44 Hala International. Checking in mula sa Cuba, Mexico. Man. Asan ba tayo? Asan ba tayo? So you guys saying Arcangel nga pala ng 44 Hala International. Checking in all the way from Cancun, Mexico, Riviera Maya. Launa na ng madaling araw ngayon. Kikitain natin ang gang. At tingnan natin kung masyashot tayo ngayon. Pero sa mga makakapanood nito, man, sobrang walang-wala na ako this past couple of days. But, you know, nakascore tayo ng cigar kanina. Sobrang solid. So, isi-share natin to sa mga guys. Malaking respects. Salamat sa lahat ng kasama namin dito, man. Gang, shoutout Earl, shoutout Zai. What's good, fam? Oh, fam. Balik kami dyan.
Oh, akala ko mag-go. 2-3 pass. Nawala na yung nagkaya. Asa na?
Oo, itong sinitid, kinuha niya yung car, kinuha niya.
Sino nagkaya?
What's up, guys?
Ito, nagaya.
Shots! Bro, shot o'clock. What we saying right now? My G.
Cheers.
Best videographer. I've seen your portfolio. I love that. I love that Tokyo video, bro.
Yes, sir. Man, bro. It's sick. Says that cigar.
That's super dope.
Fire fit, bro.
We gonna light this one up tonight. This guy doesn't smoke, but I'm gonna make him.
I'll
Cause
take
we're
it.
in Mexico.
I'll do it.
You know what I'm saying? What happens in Mexico?
Stays in Mexico.
Real.
Yes, sir.
What we saying?
Good.
Hey, what's up? Sinisipong ka na?
Kukunin katawan sa alak,
Hindi nga.
wala ng boses, may sipong, may ubong,
Sisigars tayo. Ah.
wala na yan. Good na.
Sigars tayo. Ah.
Sige. Solid ah.
That's what we're doing tonight. I'll say it though. Hey! You gonna light that one up? Okay natin yan. You never smoke? You don't smoke? You gonna do one today? Yo, si Clyde nga pala, shoutout. Kaya pakilala ka, Clyde.
So, shoutout. So, kung nga pala si Klein, so hindi pa kami masyadong lasing, pero mamaya-maya makikita nyo kami maglilinis kami dito. In Mexico, man.
Yes, sir.
Kung binigyan mo ng tip, ikaw pa ang maglilinis. Man. That's
Ito.
how it is. This is how we drink here.
Getting started pa lang. Yo, Sob, happy birthday, Sob. Cheers tayo, ha. Pagkatapos nyo dyan, mag-cheers tayo, Sob.
Kita nyo to? Maayos pa, mamaya pasag na.
Gang.
Si Lyndon pilay. Pero biglang gumaling, ayun oh.
Ayun.
Yo, kulang pa tayo ng
Birthday, my guy. Hermanos. Happy birthday.
O padre.
Sob, dito lapit, Sob. Compress. Bakit tayo?
Yo, Lyndon.
Compress. Busy.
Lyndon.
Ah, do a toast.
Hermanos. Thank you for being here with me tonight. Yup. In Mexico, baby. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy birthday, my guy.
Happy birthday.
Who got next?
His kid, Asho,
Looks like him.
looks like him.
Carbon.
No, ours were popping.
Yeah.
What, the cart?
Yeah.
I know, bro. That shit was scary.
This shit was scary. I thought something was like coming off. Type manual, right? When you fucking shift gear and it doesn't go in, it goes. Yeah.
We'll go do that. Like, we're gonna wake up like 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, we do like a sunrise by the beach.
Okay.
5 to 10, 5 to 10 or 5 to 12 or whatever.
Yeah.
And go to the pool, eat some tacos, and you know, have a great night.
Hell yeah.
Anyways, my G's,
Yo, good night, family. Appreciate you, eh?
appreciate your time.
Hey, man. Thanks for the cigar, yo. That shit was
Oh, respect. Likewise, my brother. Good night. I'll see y'all guys later. Time check, 2:30 na. Walang madaling araw, mag-aalas 3. Pero gigising pa rin tayo ng alas 5 para i-catch natin yung sunrise. It's gonna be a long day ahead of us tomorrow kasi last day na namin bukas. Ang gagawin natin tomorrow is sunrise. Manonood tayo ng sunrise. That's one. tambay sa beach, swimming or whatever. After nun, kakain tayo ng tacos ng alas 11 or alas 12 ng tanghali. Sabay from then, tatambay tayo sa pool, swimming tayo and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Tapos, swimming, tapos, yun. Siguro, Teppanyaki ng bandang alas 6 siguro. Yun ang timeline. Teppanyaki ng alas 6. Sabay, you know, catch up with the guys. Catch up with the group. Right after. And yan, yun lang ang ganap natin. Ngayon, dito tayo dadaan pa uwi dahil sobrang maulan. Maulan na ngayon. Buti naman kasi medyo mainit din talaga sobra. Pero yo, okay na tayo ngayon, man. Sobrang grateful dahil you know, kanina talaga sobrang sama na pakiramdam ko nung nandun ako sa boat. Ang ganda pa naman ng boat, no? Ang ganda ng boat kanina, man. Sobrang solid ng boat. Kaso, yun, natulog lang ako the whole time na nandun. But yeah, shoutout sa mga nagplano, shoutout sa mga tumulong magplano, shoutout sa mga naging part na ito. At most especially, malaking respect sa inyo kasi, you know, you guys made this one happen. Shoutout kay Earl, shoutout kay Zai for making this happen. Shoutout sa mga tao, you know, what? Yun lang, saktong outfit check type dito. 44 Hala International. Kasama natin ng mga guys, binigyan natin sila ng cigar. Sobrang blessed. And yeah, man. Shoutout 44 Hala International. Shoutout Magayon Vision. Malaking respect sa inyong mga nanonood ngayon. Sobrang malaking respect at sobrang maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, man. Ito na yung room. Dito tayo sa 1167. Pala binuksan mo yung AC. Kapagpasok natin, malamig. Okay, bukas na lang ulit, man. Checking in. Today ay last day na namin. November 14, 7:21 na umaga. So yun, punta tayo sa taco stand and kuha tayo ng tacos and maybe drinks kasi last day na natin today. Bukas na flight natin ng alas 7. So yeah, let's get it. Nakapag-swimming na kayo? Ito ang vibes dito ngayon, maulan man. Jeez. Yo gang, swimming time. Let's get it. Medyo maulan lang, but it is what it is, man. Okay. Cold water, ibig sabihin may mga pating dito. Hopefully di tayo mag-tempuan ng mga patay.
ilalim yung sa'yo. Yeah, you guys lost it.
So, mag-water polo sila kayo.
Yo, what are you guys saying? Arcangel ng 44 Hala International. Checking back in. Last day na natin today. Yo, tonight magdi-dinner tayo at iti-check out natin ang kanilang theater. Meron silang ganap doon. Tapos pupunta rin tayo sa mariachi. Merong mariachi band mamaya. Check out din natin yan. Yeah, man. Last day. Let's see kung anong ganap ngayon at anong mangyayari tonight. Yo, di na kami nakapag-reserve ng man. Kainan. It's all good. It is what it is. Hibachi sana eh. Teppanyaki sana eh. It's all good. Yo, hindi na tayo nakapag-reserve. Diba sabi ko siya, hindi na tayo nakapag-reserve. Pero kinausap ko to si mi amiga, si Miss Andrea at ginawa niya ng paraan. So yun, mamaya-maya maka-experience tayo ng teppanyaki.
When you come here,
Is it? Ready? 1, 2. One more time. Ready? Open your mouth, okay? 1, 2.
I have to ask her to do it.
Enjoy. Appreciate.
Thank you.
Appreciate.
Thank you, Neneng. Ganito dito, wala nang ulam-ulam.
Mexican good? What day?
Oh yeah, may garlic sauce kanina. Let's go, let's get it.
That's my favorite piece.
I was being really open.